Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Girl Next Door this side. I hope you all are doing well. So as you know that we are all prepping ourselves for Durga Puja, and this is the second episode of how to prepare yourself for Durga Puja, and this is the second part of losing weight. So obviously you know that we do not have much time to go for exercising or gym. So right now, for losing those extra 1 or 2 kgs, I can give you one hack which will help you to lose those extra kilos really fast, and I have tried that out myself, and this video is all about that. So the solution I'm going to talk about is ACV. I'm sure a lot of you have heard about it. It is apple cider vinegar, and the one that I have chosen is this apple cider vinegar from Kapiva. This is not a sponsored video, guys. It's my honest review and honest result that you are going to see. So this one is special because it is having Garcinia juice along with apple cider vinegar, and 500 ml costed me around $5.99. I bought this from their official website and I totally loved it. Why? Please stay till the end of the video to see how much effect I have actually gained from this. Okay, gained in terms of benefit, lost in terms of kilos. Okay,
So today is day 1, and obviously we will be starting with weighing ourselves. Let's see what is our starting weight. Okay, so as you can see, it is quite high, 92.05. okay, and yeah, so this is our starting weight. So we are back to our kitchen, and what we will be using over here, as we already know, 1 cup. This is a big milk cup, guys, so it's quite big, and some drinking water and the Kapiva juice. So first we will have to boil the same quantity of water, not boil but make it warm. So it's a good amount of water, almost 200 ml, and we will heat this up. So while this is getting warmed up, we will take our Kapiva juice. This is the measuring cup. This is our Kapiva one, and the instruction is that whenever I'm using it, I have to shake it very well. So shake. So as you can see, guys, this is 10 ml of Kapiva juice that I have taken. 10 ml. Okay, so this I'm going to put over here. You can see the color of the liquid, little pale yellow. And yeah, this is ready. So now I have to, so it has the typical vinegar kind of smell. Okay, if you have ever sniffed any ACV, this is exactly the same. Yeah, tangy, but not too bad. Okay, I'm just preparing my mind that okay, I will have to have this for the next 15 days. So yeah, I think it's manageable, not too bad. Hi all, so it's day 2 today, and yeah, we are back to our kitchen, and let's make another glass of this drink. So I have already taken the amount of water that I need over here in this kettle. This is my kapiva, and let's just heat the water now. In the meantime, we will again measure out the kapiva. First, we will have to shake it well. You can already, I think this has become really hot now. Have to stop it. Still making noise. So this is done now, and yeah, the same sour flavor, but we'll pass through. We'll pass through. No problem. Done. Okay. Day 3 now. Yet another day. Hi there guys, good morning. So today we are going to make 2 cups today because even my husband wanted to drink this following the amazing benefits that it is having on me. So yeah, that's a lot of water getting heated up over here, and we'll see how that turns out. So yeah, it's ready and we are having it. He's having it for the first time, so not much a fan of the taste, but yeah, definitely a fan of the benefits. So yeah, let's see. Hi, it's day 7 and I just wanted to share, what are the effects of the ACV on my body. So the very first thing that I wanted to share is that I'm having this right in the morning. So before having any kind of liquid food, tea, coffee, this is the first thing I'm having in the morning. Okay, I'm mixing 10 ml in 200 ml of water, 10 ml of ACV in 200 ml of water, and the very first thing that I am noticing is that my bowel movement is very, very clear, and so that gives you some kind of satisfaction. And on top of that, what I can see is that throughout the day I'm feeling hungry, but I'm easily getting satiated by having little bit food. So like before, I don't have to have 3 rotis like I used to before. Okay, now even 2 roti is sufficient for me. So that is the change that I am noticing, guys. So day 8 here, I have already heated the water. Hi guys, it's day 9 here, and here is my kapiva. So it's day 10 now, and we both are going to have ACV today, but because the taste is a little bit sour and a little difficult to take, so for him we will be adding honey. Yeah, and the taste will be improved. So in case you want to get the benefit of ACV and still cannot tolerate the taste, you can add honey as well. Water is getting heated. Yeah, day 11 done. Hey everyone, it's day 12 today. It's a Sunday today, so yeah, it's a bit a kind of a lazy, and I just now woke up, so just still a bit sleepy, but yeah, we'll have to drink my ACV as the first thing today. So let's get started. So water I have already taken.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm going to sit in my balcony, see some pretty house plants, and I'm going to enjoy my ACV here. Hi all, it's day 12 and I have already taken my water over here. Hi there guys. Hi everyone, it's day 14 and my ACV is ready. So tomorrow I'm so excited for the weigh-in. Just stay tuned.
So as you can see how much weight I lost. I actually lost around 2.1 kilos, and there are certain very important things I want to tell you guys. So point 1, in this entire duration of 15 days I did not do any kind of workout. Yes guys, you heard it correct. So I did not do even mild workout because I wanted to see how much benefit I will only get from only this apple cider vinegar. Okay, so this 2.1 kilos and the final weight you are seeing is all because of ACV. But at the same time I also want to mention that this happened also due to because I was having healthy food. So during these duration of 15 days I had only eaten food from outside only once, and entire 15 days I was having healthy food. What I mean by healthy food is I was having brown rice instead of white rice. I was avoiding potatoes, and during night I was only having one roti and with lots of veggies. So this is how I made little tweaks in my diet, and that is also a reason why this had helped. But at the same time, without ACV I don't think I would have achieved 2.1 kilos. Okay, now on top of that I want to add one more point, because in between when my husband joined I realized that the taste of ACV is actually a bummer. So everyone may not like the taste of ACV. For that to be made suitable for them, you can also add honey, which I have shown in between in I think day 8 or 9. So yeah, that is something you also can do, and that is not going to impact the efficiency of ACV. So that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any more questions, comment down below. Follow this before Durga Puja or Dasera, and I'm sure if you have minimal amount of weight loss to be done, this is going to help you nonetheless. Thank you so much. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and we'll meet again. Bye.